Hello viewers, welcome to PC Solutions BD. So, today I'll show you how to remove CRLF from your code blocks. This is so annoying when you're writing codes in there. Here you can see, if I write a code in there, like printf subscribe, and then hit the enter, you can see CRLF arrives from nowhere. Don't worry, this is a function of Codeblocks CRLF mends the end of this line. So, before we solve this, make sure you've subscribed.
Underneath the yellow line, thoughts racing, trying to hit a lick right now. So you know I can't come outside. I can see the world from...
So, this is actually not a problem. As I said before, all you have to do is left-click on Settings, then click Editor, and wait for the pop-up window. You can see a lot of option here. On top right section you can see Show End of Line Chars, just uncheck this. And hit OK. And it's gone. So, this is it. You are now good to go. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.